there, I'm Glenn. Welcome to my garage. Hi everybody. So thought I'd do a walk around here on my latest project in the garage. So there it is. It is a 2000 BMW 323 convertible, or Vert as they seem to be known. So E46, early, I think it was May 2000s, its build date. Picked this up here in Nanaimo on Vancouver Island. The cheapest one by far anywhere in BC. It's only got 132,000 kilometers on it, so that's, yeah, I think just under 80,000 miles for a 21-year-old car. And for that it's good. It seems to basically run well. We've got a lot of lights on the dash, but I don't think they're anything serious. I'll show those in a few minutes. Do an exterior walk around. So it's a gold color. Haven't looked up the code yet. We've got some broken bits here. Door trim's gonna have to be replaced. Around the front we seem to have new headlights. Somebody replaced them. A little bit of scuffing under the bumper here. Sorry, I'm trying to walk around my garage. I'm going to hit this side. We've got all the scuffing here. Down here seems to have slightly popped that rub rail thing there as well. Obviously reflector missing. Nothing too drastic. We'll take that off and be painting that. A couple of tiny little dents, little parking lot bumps, a couple of scratches here. I don't need to see. Yeah, I'm gonna have a go at see if we can buff those out. This is most part original paint. I'd rather keep it that way. Top is excellent condition. Somebody replaced the top. I've got a couple of sap spots. They are on the island, so lots of trees. I'm going to get those off. Got to get a cleaner for that. We come around the back, and once again, bumper car boy has hit the back bumper, scraped it up here, done a little bit of denting here, scraping here. We've got chipping here, no idea what that is. Managed to hit this side too. Took out this lens here. These look like they might have been replaced because they look in decent shape. This is pretty faded in comparison, so I'm going to be replacing both of those. More scratches here I'm going to have to deal with. I mean, overall, yeah, it's dropped down here, needs to be done, but you know, it's good. There's no rust here, which is where these guys usually go at all. So she's overall in decent shape considering. We got a duct tape repair down here. I got all the clips back in. I popped some clips. I managed to put the clips back in already, but I'm gonna have to secure that properly. And there's a bunch of fasteners underneath that I noticed when I jacked it up are just gone. So I'm gonna have to get her up and do that. Little chips here and there, but she'll come back. I have no doubt about that. Inside, dirty, a lot of scuffing, the usual sort of thing. And the beige color never seems to stand up quite so well. And obviously the black hides a multitude of sins. A little ripply here, but a little bit of crazing on the veneers here. Haven't quite decided what to do with that yet. Seat-wise, we've got a little bit of seam work we have to do here, but there's no rips in the seat. Again, needs a thorough cleaning. I'm gonna do a recoloring, I think, on the seats. We got floor mats and the cleaning. The dash is in nice shape. In the back, again, needs cleaning more than anything. The cover for the convertible top, when it's down, it's faded to the sun coming in, so we're going to recolor all that. We're going to try some of that the special interior paints and see how that goes. We'll try and video that as well, at least the results. Somebody put a Kenwood deck in it. Been put in properly or professionally, and all works on the steering wheel. But I did manage to find, just yesterday, an original one. So I'm not undecided what I'm going to do with that, but it was $20, so I thought I'd have it be on the shelf. I do have the lights, the interior light thing here. It just kept falling out and dangled there, and so I've unplugged it right now. Another little project to fix there.